I welcome you all to the science class. I know you all are fine, yes? So children, have you ever cut your hands or have you ever been to any accident? If not, it is very good. So children, in today's class, we are going to learn something about safety measures in different places, okay? So it is in chapter 3 in your science book, safety and first aid. So in this chapter we will learn to take care of ourselves while using different tools. We will also learn to be safe in different places, okay? And obviously we will learn about first aid, taking first aid also. So let us proceed to our class, children. So Rahul was cutting an apple when his finger got wounded with a sharp knife. The wound made him cry in pain. It reminded him of the rules his teacher had told him to follow while working with sharp tools. If you do not know the correct way to do things, you may hurt yourself. So children, in the picture you can see there is a little boy. His name is Rahul and he has cut his hand while cutting an apple, and the wound is making him cry because it is hurting him. Yes, when you cut yourself, it hurt us. So it reminded him, when he cut his hand, it reminded him of his teacher who told him to follow some safety rules while working with sharp tools. So if you don't know the correct way of using these tools, please go away from it. Don't touch it, otherwise you may hurt yourself. Like Rahul has done, you also may hurt yourself. So please don't touch all these things. So children, first let us see how do accidents occur. You know the meaning of accidents, right? Accidents means when something bad happens because of someone's carelessness. So accidents occur when we are careless or in a hurry. Most of the time, children, accident occurs when we are careless. That means when we are not taking proper care of things, when we are when we are doing careless and when we are in a hurry. We must not do anything that might hurt us or other around us. While playing and working, we need to be alert so that we can avoid a dangerous situation. So children, accident may occur any time. Yes, so we need to be very careful for that. And we should not hurt us or others around us. So while playing and working, we need to be very alert because we have to avoid dangerous situation. Here you can see a car bumped into a boy. A little boy was coming in a bicycle and a car got an accident with a boy and a boy is hurt. It is because of carelessness of a man also and a boy also, who was not looking at the road properly. Yes, while he was riding his bicycle, while he was driving the car, they were not looking properly, they were not careful, they were careless at that time. So the boy got hurt. So you should be very careful on the road. Now, safety rules to be followed at home. Children, there are so many things that we may get hurt inside our home also. So here are some of the safety rules to be followed at home. So first one is sharp instrument. So be careful and walk under the care of elders when you are using sharp instruments and tools. Do not take to others or watch TV while working with such tools. So children, you have to be very careful and you have to be under the care. You need to take help of some elderly person at your home. Whenever you are working with sharp instrument, you have to be under the care of elders, understood? And you have to be very careful and do not talk to others while you are holding this sharp instrument. Whenever these sharp instruments are in your hand, You shouldn't talk to others because it may distract you. Yes, so you shouldn't talk to others, and please don't watch TV while working with such tools. Next, children, fire. Are you afraid of fire, or do you love fire? Okay, fire is a very dangerous thing, right? So never play near the gas stove, especially when the flame is on. Do not play with the knobs of gas stove, as the gas may leak and cause a fire. So please don't play near the gas stove, okay, especially when the gas is on. When the flame is on, don't play near the fire stove, gas stove, and you are not allowed, please don't play with the knobs of the gas, from where we switch off and on the gas, that is known as knobs of the gas. So please don't play with the knobs of the gas, as the gas may leak and they may cause fire. When you are near a flame, do not wear nylon clothes, as they catch fire easily. So children, when you are nearby a flame, please don't wear nylon clothes, okay, because nylon clothes catches fire very easily. So please don't wear nylon clothes. Next, safety measures to be taken at your home is electricity. We know that we are totally dependent on electricity. So if we do not use electricity carefully, it may cause serious injury. You know that there is a current in electricity. So if we don't use electricity carefully, it may cause serious injury. You may get hurt. If you notice a spark or get a shock, turn off the main switch. So if you sometimes get a shock, you have to turn the main switch. Never use any broken plugs or switches, as you may get an electric shock. So please don't use any broken plugs, or please don't touch any switches, as you may get electric shock. And obviously please don't touch the wires also. Sometimes extra wires are coming out from the wiring done. So please don't touch those wires, because electricity shock you may get electric shock. Next, children, medicines and other products. So do you know what is medicine? Yes, whenever we get ill, whenever we fall sick, at that time we eat medicine. So do not take medicines on your own. Please don't take medicine, because you are a little children, you don't know what amount of medicines to be taken, or which medicine is to be taken. If you know which medicine is to be taken, then also please don't take it on your own. Take medicines only when your elders give them to you. Please take medicines whenever the elders give them to you. There are many colorful liquids kept around the house which are used for cleaning purposes. These are dangerous and should not be touched or consumed. So we know that different cleaning liquids are there. Yes, so those liquids are very colorful, which you can see around your house, and those liquids are very dangerous. Those liquids are dangerous, and you should not touch that liquids, or you should not consume, means you are not allowed to eat that liquids, because it is very dangerous and it may cause serious problem. So children, you know what are the safety measures to be taken at your home, right? I think so you're clear with that. So we will stop it till here. I will see you in the next class, because you have another science period also. Thank you everyone.